Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Munchkin Xtraguard dual action multi-use latches, 2-count. He doesn't have the coordination to press the buttons to open the latch, yet it requires both dexterity and finger strength that toddlers don't normally have. Or remove both sides if you don't need the lock temporarily. Cons: more bulky than other door latches, so not ideal for tight spaces. They have an anchor on both ends that sticks onto a surface, and then the top that clicks into it. The only thing that it damaged, if you want to call it that, was the spatula scraped off some of the paint on a wall. Other ones broke off. These are easy for one-handed, can open at either side, and close for multiple types of openings. Only needed for this bath, as the other doors are regular style, and baby cannot open. It is also at the top of a large set of stairs that leads to the playroom. They aren't too difficult to open by an older child adult, but they keep little kids out of places they should not be in. He passed away at the age of 2 by falling into an unlocked washing machine. It wasn't the first time he had gotten into raw meat, and one time, he dropped and broke 6 eggs on the carpet. She can't even pull the door a little bit without it getting caught on these. Apparently the oven doors on all new ovens are now made to be cool to touch when the oven is on. But this is a relatively new thing, so all older oven doors get warm hot when the oven is on. Very versatile, as these can seemingly be placed anywhere to lock it away from toddlers. Oh boy, let me tell you. He was not happy. He would hang off the handle, and also the guard, and it held strong. They are 100% baby and toddler proof, and actually work. They are so easy to open, and only require one hand, so you don't have a baby lock dangling in the way while in the cabinet, and you don't struggle to close the cabinet. These work, they last, and your little one won't be able to skirt around them. They easily turn, and are not as annoying for the parent as most baby-proofed items are. As for people not liking the fact that the pads either ruin the surface when removed, or that they don't stick well enough, what do you want? If they are too easy to remove, then they won't serve their purpose. So yeah, it's gonna be sticky. It doesn't surprise me that it would potentially take off paint from drywall, or finish on older woods. Or you didn't clean the surface well enough, or you didn't press hard enough when setting it in place. Then from that top edge, gently work the putty knife into, and under the sticky pad. Eventually you should be able to remove the sticky pad without any significant damage to the underlying surface. These work so well they kept Grandma out too until she realized there was a safety strap. Well, he also can't figure out how to pop it off of the can. An older child could probably figure it out. You have to squeeze the sides in order to release the lock, and it's easy enough to do, although a bit more of a pain when you have to do it several times during the day. The good thing is you can leave it unlocked if you need, and it is very easy to attach and install. So it was one thing for her to get into the drawer when the stove was off, but when it was on she was burning her little fingers. They also turn sideways after you unlock them, so if you want to leave them open while baby is sleeping they won't get in the way. He now can't get the doors open enough to make a satisfactory bump, so he quit. On the bottom cabinets. He has learned to hop onto the counter, and now does it to the top cabinets. Needed something to secure doggy door big enough for a small adult to crawl through. If someone is able to open it a 12-inch, they may see all it is rubber, and simply to cut it. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, and leave your comments below.